Now, we talked about the tamarind dressing that we made before. If you haven't made that yet, check out the recipe over there or down in the about section of this video. And really, I talked about how universal this dressing is. So today what we're going to do is we're going to make a melon salad. This might sound weird at first, but trust me, it was pretty delicious, right? We took a cantaloupe and we gave it a little dice and we tossed it on tamarind dressing with some fresh herbs, and it was super good. It was like so refreshing and refreshing, great summery vibe with the fresh herbs and then the nuttiness from the peanuts. It was so good, right? Yes, it was delicious. So try this recipe out. Really simple, really easy to make any day of the week, and let me know what you guys think. Okay? Now for this melon salad, we're going to use a cantaloupe today. You can use honeydew, watermelon, whatever you prefer, but this is what I kind of had in the pantry. So we're just going to dice it up into large chunks, place it into a bowl, and then we're going to season it up. All right? This is a half cantaloupe. You can use a whole one if you'd like. We have some chopped scallions, some chopped cilantro, and a little bit of mint, and some marcoude lime leaves, and we just gave it a nice julienne. And we're just going to add that into our bowl with all of our other ingredients. Nice and fresh little summer salad, eh? Seasoning it up with tamarind dressing that we just made here. So we need a recipe for that. You can check down in the about section of this video or in this top right corner possibly. Give it a nice little mix, let it allow it to marinate for a little while. About 10 minutes, and put it into a plate. Garnish with a little bit of crispy fried shallots and peanuts if you'd like. And there you guys go. This is a nice, delicious, fresh melon salad with herbs and Thai-inspired tamarind dressing, crispy peanuts, and shallots. The balance is nice, the freshness is there, the crunchiness from the peanuts and the fruit itself. Right? And that's it. Like I said, it was a real simple recipe, really easy to make, and you can literally make it in advance and then add your fresh herbs when you plate it up for serving at large parties or whatever. So try this out and let me know what you guys think. Make sure you tag us at LoveFoodMore. If you want to see more videos like that, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when we release new recipes every week. Alright, and remember, if you want to check out more videos, you can find them here or you can find them here. Just keep cooking and stay at home. My goal is to make you love food more. So just remember, we're going to do that by staying happy, staying hungry, and feeding your soul and feeding your mind. Until next time.